The is used with the superlative degree. Okay, so three degrees are there: positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive is used to tell the quality of one noun, comparative is used to compare two things, and superlative is used to compare more than two things. Okay, now then is used just after comparative degree. If and then is there, it means second degree will be used. If the is used with superlative degree, if the is used, it means this is the superlative degree. And if the is given before the blank, you are supposed to use the superlative degree. Look, for example, Mohan is a good boy. Mohan is better than Sohan in behavior. Mohan is a good boy. Only quality is told about one. This is positive degree. Mohan is better than Sohan. It means Mohan and Sohan are compared. So comparative degree is used. Better is the second degree, comparative degree of good, and then than is used. Then Mohan is the best boy in the class. There are so many students in the class. So Mohan is compared with all the boys of the class. It means more than two. So best. Best is the superlative degree of good, and the is used with superlative degree. Clear? Next is use of adverbs. Mostly adverbs carry ly in the end. This is the you can say that you can recognize the adverb this way: happily, sadly, merrily. So ly is used generally in the end, but this is not a rule, because all the adverbs do not carry ly, such as fast. We say come fast. If we say don't come fastly, this is wrong. Okay, so mostly adverbs carry ly in the end. He worked for me happily. So happily is the adverb. Some adverbs don't carry ly, just as come fast. Clear? Go slow. Okay, slowly is also right, and slow, it depends upon the verb how we are using. Then use of modals. What are modals? Modals are auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs. Verbs, are of two types: main verbs and helping verbs. The helping verbs are further divided into three parts: be verbs, do verbs, and mode verbs. Be verbs are is, am, are. Do verbs are do, does, did, and mode verbs are modals: will, shall, can, could, may, might, must, used to, need, dare. These are modals. So, to use modals, there are the rules. Modals are used in place of helping verb. First is they are used in place of helping verbs because they are actually helping verbs. I can carry 20 kilogram with one hand. This is can. Can is modal and it is used as helping verb. It is used to show the capacity. Always V1 is used after modal. After every modal, we use always V1, first form of verb. We shall help you. Then necessity, moral obligation, carry must. If it seems that necessity is there or some moral obligation is there, we'll use must. Advise, possibility, carry should. If we are giving some advice to some person or possibility is there, then should will be used. Can is used to show ability or capacity. Ability comes from generally learning something, and capacity comes from our muscular power. I can speak 4 languages. You can run for 20 kilometers at a stretch. So these are the ability and capability. Then to is used only with ought and used. Ought to, used to. Rest all modals are used without to. Okay. Then may is used for possibility and permission and blessings. may कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं हम? If possibility is there, if we want to give permission, or if we want to bless someone. So may is used. These were the uses of modals. Then use of verb. Here when we talk use of verb, here we are talking about both verbs, helping verbs as well as main verbs. So some rules are there. I, we, you, they plural carry v1 in simple present tense. If you talk about simple present tense or present indefinite tense and the subject is I, we, you, they or plural, then v1, it means first form of verb will be used. Otherwise, if the rest of the subjects are there, then we use v1 plus s or es. Okay. Second is ing form is used with is, am, are, was, were and been. Okay. If before the blank you have is, am or are, was or were or been, then ing form may be used. Ing form means working, doing, learning, listening, this way. Then has, have, had always carry v3 or been. It means if there is blank after has, have or had, then either third form of verb will be used or been will be used in the blank. Okay. The next is use of prepositions. Prepositions, prepositions are the words that are kept before a noun or pronoun and make its relation with the other parts of the verb. So from is used for source or starting point. From कहाँ यूज करते हैं? The source of any energy or the starting point. As we get light from sun. So sun, what is sun? Sun is the source of energy, source of light and starting point. The bus is coming from Delhi. It means the bus started from Delhi. Then in is used for stable position inside. In कहाँ यूज करते हैं? If we talk about the stable position inside something or some place, then in will be used. And into is used for movement from outside to inside. अगर हम किसी व्यक्ति की या किसी वस्तु की, it means any noun is moving from outside to inside, then into will be used. Then on will not be used. On is used for touching position. Touching position means one thing is just upon the other. One thing is just on the other and it is in touching position. Just like the book is on the table, the pen is on the book, this way. Then over and under are used for non-touching position. Over means ऊपर की तरफ and under means नीचे की तरफ, but both are used for non-touching position. As the sky is over. The sky is over. The cat is under the table. Under the table, it means not touching the table. Since is used for point of time and for is used for period of time or to show purpose. If we talk about the tenses and the time, then if point of time is there, then since will be used. If period of time is there, then for will be used. For is also used to show purpose. I come to school for teaching. It means my object, my purpose to come to school is teaching. Next is subject agreement with verb. This topic also we have done 2-3 days earlier. Still, just revision. Singular subjects carry singular verbs. If the subject is singular, the verb will also be singular. Plural subjects carry plural verbs. If the subject is plural, then verb will also be plural. Then sentences beginning with there carry the verb according to the noun or pronoun just after it. It means if the sentence is starting with there and then there is the blank, then there dash few girls in the class. There dash a few girls in the class. It means girls are countable and more than one. Plural are there, so are will be used or were will be used. But there dash a book with me. A book. There dash. Dash के बाद क्या है? A book. It means एक है. So singular will be used. Clear? Then two nouns joined with and carry singular verb if they become a unit. अगर दो नाउन्स को जोड़ दिया है एंड के साथ और उन दोनों को जोड़ने के बाद वो दोनों एक यूनिट का काम कर रहे हैं, देन वी टेक इट एज सिंगुलर. एज bread and butter is a wholesome food. Bread and butter, two things were there, but they are a wholesome food. दोनों ने मिलाकर एक यूनिट बना दिया है. That is why singular will be used. Okay. The next is use of determiners. You know, determiners that fix or determine the position of a noun in the sentence. So determiners are possessives, articles, then demonstratives. So many are there. So I'll make you revise just in short. Words beginning with vowel sounds carry an. We are talking here about the vowel sound, not with the vowel. Yes. This is I am waiting for an hour. For an hour. N क्यों लगाया? R. HOUR. It starts with H. This is a consonant, but the sound is R. A. This is a vowel sound, so an R. Second is words beginning with consonant sounds carry a. Mohan is a European. Mohan is a European. Look here now. European sound is of Y. It means Y. Y sound. So we'll not see the spellings. We'll show the sound that is coming of our mouth when we pronounce it. Okay. Next, the. The is used for specific or unique or already discussed or further qualified things, celestial bodies, names of famous books, monuments, landscapes, water bodies, trains, etc. The is used for specific. Specific things क्या होती हैं? कुछ खास जो होती हैं. As the earth, as the ताजमहल, यानी specific, खास हैं. Then unique. Unique means जिनके जैसी कोई दूसरी ना हो. Then already discussed, जिसके बारे में हम पहले ही बात कर चुके हैं. Once there was a crow, the crow was thirsty. Once we used a, but because it was already discussed, that is why in the second sentence it became the, already discussed. Then further qualified. The man on the stage is my brother. The man on the stage. Further qualify कर दिया. Which man? On the stage. So celestial bodies. You know what are celestial bodies? All the things that are related to solar system are celestial bodies. Sun, moon, stars, earth, planets, asteroids, all these are celestial bodies. So the will be used with all these things. The earth, the sun, the moon, this way. Then names of famous books. Famous books जितनी हैं उनके नेम के साथ the Gita, the Bible. Then monuments, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar. Then landscapes. Landscapes includes mountains, valleys, hills, the mountains, the Himalayas, the Sahara Desert, this way. Water bodies, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Red Sea. Trains, the Shatabdi Express. This way, there are so many things more with which we use the. Then many a carry singular verb. If there is many a boy was present, not were. Okay, many, if only many is there, then it is plural. If many a is there, then it is singular. Okay, mine, yours, hers, theirs are used in objective case. First you must know what is objective case. The words towards the object, the words towards the end of the sentence are the objective cases. You know, my is subjective case. This is my book. My came in the beginning, but this book is mine. Mine came in the last. So these are the objective cases. Okay, mine, yours, has, theirs. They are used in objective case. Next, few, a few and the few. First I make you revise their use. Few means countable but equal to none. A few, countable but very few in number, very small in number. The few means countable, very small in number but the whole of it. Are used for countable nouns, countables के लिए यूज होते हैं. There are few girls in the class, it means equal to none. A few girls present have gone. A few girls have come. The few boys in the class are all duffers. The few. Okay, it means very few are in number but the whole of them. The same way, little, a little, the little is used for uncountable nouns. Little means uncountable nouns हैं ये सारे, इन सब के साथ लगते हैं. Little equal to none, uncountable, equal to no. A little uncountable but very less in quantity. Then the little, very less in quantity but the whole of it. There is little water in the jug. There is little water in the jug. It means suppose there is one drop of water, you can say there is little water in the jug, you cannot drink it. A little. There is a little milk in the cup, one cup tea can be made. It means a little, बहुत थोड़ा सा है. And the little milk in the cup has all split. जो थोड़ा सा दूध था वो भी सारा खराब हो गया है. Much is used for uncountable nouns. Much uncountables के लिए and many is used for countable nouns. Okay. So these were the things that you were to keep in mind. Now let's do the practice. I had a paragraph for you. There are planes that can fly dash than the speed of sound, but passenger airplanes dash fly at speed less than that of sound, although airplanes that can dash at supersonic speeds have dash built. Let's do. There are planes that can fly dash than the speed of sound. Look here. Dash than. If than is there, then you must remember that than is used with comparative degree. So now look at the choices. Fast, faster, fastest and the fastest. So what will be there? Faster. There are planes that can fly faster than the speed of sound. But passenger airplanes dash fly at speed less than that of sound. Now look at the choices. Most, mostly, much and more. But passengers aeroplanes dash fly at speed mostly. This is adverb because used with verb. Okay. Mostly fly at speed less than that of sound. Although airplanes that can dash. After can, you know can is a modal. And after every modal, what is used? V1 is used. First form of verb is used. So you will have to see where is the first form in the third option. Fly, flying, flew, flown. So first form is fly. So can fly at supersonic speeds. Have dash built. Have. What did I tell you? After has, have or had, what do we use? V3 or been. So either we will have to see for third form of verb. If it is not there, then for been. Been. First option is been. Been, be, was, being. So been will be used. Clear? Let's do one more. One dash day in December, I had been standing dash still for a few minutes among the dry weeds when a slight dash sound came from near my feet. Glancing down, I saw the head and neck of a dash serpent that slowly went past me. One dash day in December. Look at the options. Coldly, cold, coldest or cold. You know, cold day. One cold day in December, I had been standing dash still, perfectly still, because with verb adverb will be used. For a few minutes among the dry weeds, when a slight dash sound came, slight dash sound, sound के साथ हमेशा ing फॉर्म लगती है, rustling, rustling sound came from near my feet. Glancing down, I saw the head and neck of a dash serpent, dash a dash, largest, larger, large, the largest. Of a है, it means largest cannot be used, the largest cannot be used, then larger, larger cannot be used because this is not the comparison. So a large, large serpent that slowly went past me. Clear? One more is there. We had a very dash and dash lecture yesterday about malaria fever. We had a very dash, look at the choices, interest, interested, interesting और very interested. तो क्या होगा इसमें? ऑब्वियस है इंटरेस्टिंग. We had a very interesting and dash lecture. यूज, यूजलेस, यूजफुल और यूज्ड. यूजलेस तो नहीं हो सकता. यूज्ड लेक्चर कैन आल्सो नॉट बी. यूज कैन ऑल्सो नॉट बी. देन यूजफुल लेक्चर yesterday about malaria fever. It was given by a dash doctor. Famed doctor, famous doctor or informed. Okay, obviously famous doctor. Adjective is there. Of the town, he told us how this fever is caused and how it can be. If be is there, then always third form of verb will be used. So look at the third form. Prevented, prevent, preventing was prevented. It will be prevented. So this way you can do the gap filling. Hope it is clear to you. Still, but you will have to make your practice. You make your own practice. Okay. Still, if you find any difficulty, you have 2 days. You can call me anytime. Okay. Thank you.